With this manipulative, the idea is to visualize why do you need common denominator when you're adding fractions. Um, Addition is a shorthand of counting. But the thing is, when you're counting objects, you must be counting objects that are the same kind. So, for example, if I had two pencils and one book, I cannot say I have three pencils. Why? Because the pencil is not a book. The same idea applies for fractions. When you're adding fractions, you're going to count slices that are the same kind. In other words, slices that are the same size. Right now, if you look at the visual, the three circles you have in the screen, okay, we're going to see this like pies of pizza. The first pie of pizza, first circle, was cut into four slices, and two slices were eaten. Okay, the second circle, the second pie of pizza, was cut into six slices, and two slices were also eaten. If I ask you how many slices you ate, you cannot tell me four slices. Why not? Because you didn't eat the slices of the same size. They were not the same kind. They're different. In fact, look at the visual, and you can see the two red slices together are much bigger than the two blue slices. So you're not counting objects that are the same kind. All right. So what is the goal here with this manipulative? The idea is to take each of these pies of pizza, each of these circles, and we're going to cut it into slices of the same size. Okay, that's the whole idea. So I'm going to start with the first circle. And I'm going to start dividing this circle into slices of the same size. So I'm going to use this spinner. So when I click the upward arrow, see, I started dividing the slice into the pie of pizza into more slices. And this, in fact, right now I have five slices. The question is, do you have slices of the same size in the same circle? No. So keep cutting. See, I cut into six slices. Still, there are slices that are smaller than the others, so I cannot use six. Keep going, seven slices. Again, you can see slices. There's some slices that are smaller than the others. Now look at when I cut into eight. Now all the slices are the same kind. Now I'm going to go to the second circle, and I'm going to try to do the same thing. I'm going to try to cut this pie into eight slices because right now the first one, all the slices are the same kind. So start playing with the spinner. Seven slices. You can see they're not the same kind. Eight slices. See, I cut into eight like the first one. However, if you look on the second circle, there are slices that are smaller than the other ones in the same circle, in the second circle. So that means 8 is not a common denominator, okay? So I need to keep playing around with the spinner until I can cut this pie into slices of the same size. Look, I divide into 9. Still, there's some slices smaller than others. Into 10, same thing. Into 11, same thing. Into 12, oh, I think I got it. Look, each slice now in the second pie is the same size. So now I need to go back to the first one, the one that I had 8. I'm going to try to cut into 12 and check if all the slices come out to be the same size. So I'm going to play with the spinner until I get to 12. And look, lucky me. Look, now all the slices of the first pie are the same when I divide it into 12. And the second pie of pizza, the slices are the same size as the first pie of pizza. So this means that the common denominator is 12. Now, how many are shaded in the first pie of pizza? If you look carefully, you have how many are shaded? Gonna have 6 shaded. Okay, let's go to the second pie of pizza where we divide it into 12. How many slices of pizza are shaded here, or how many slices are shaded in this circle? You're gonna see there are 4. Okay, and when you check the answer, you can see that yes, the common denominator was 12. Now we can count. How many slices do we have shaded? And because they're all the same kind, now you can just count them or do the shorthand, which is just add. So I'm going to have now 10 over 12. And that's how, that's why you can use this manipulative to visualize why do you need the same denominator when adding fractions. I hope this helps.